this is like the 29th, so people will be coming up here starting the hunting season with the archery season here in a few days. Very popular hunting area, and I can see why. There's a working forest. There's logging up here. There's no active logging I've seen any evidence of going on currently, however. GoPro aimed at the two volcanoes that you can see from up here. Deer and animals. $13.80. The road has a number. Peterman Ridge has this south-facing slope, and we are looking south. Anita is checking out the berries. Where we came from. We went to the turned around and we're coming back from our farthermost point. Mount Rainier through the trees. Yeah. Praise God. Oh, there's the bee. Bees are happy. The Jeep is happy. Benita's up there somewhere. I presume she's happy. Let's look at the berries. What a display. Beauty everywhere. What you doing? You picking? Oh, there you are. Did I drive by you? Uh-huh. I see.
A week ago. Look at this.
That's nice.
The bears do. The bears
I see.
He does research on huckleberry bushes. And he is known to take them. I'm going to put them in a vase, but the man does research on how bears break the limbs. Grizzlies. And they have decided that, you know, the careful picking that humans do is really not necessary. The bears just shred these limbs, and it sets the bushes up to have a greater yield by careful, well, not careful, but deliberate pruning.
Good to know.
Just let me hold on to you. That's the way. There you go. Red huckleberries in the freezer. What I really want are the dark purple ones. And they usually come in very late, mid-September. It really depends on how hurry.
I'm weak from hunger. I'm going to get my food. Peterman Ridge, one of the high points. Clear cut all around, but a stand of trees in the middle. This is going down. Oh, I go the other way. So let me back up.
Well, I see huckleberry bushes over there.
Do you?
Big ones.
Okay. Red?
Shall I check them out? Yeah, right down there. Let me check them. Just you just stay here.
Yes, ma'am.
Check them
Hey. I'm checking. Are you checking? Yeah.
I should have brought Christmas ornaments. Imagine the people coming back and finding that the tree is decorated.
Yeah.
a welcome that would be.
I really do want to stay in a campground, a campsite in Peterman Ridge like this. What's to do? Well, you explore what we did, you know.
Well, one thing about this spot is you'd probably have a good nighttime sky.
Yeah.
For stargazing.
Smell skunk?
Yes, I do. Is that truly what it is? Or is it your vehicle? What do you think?
It's the skunk. Yeah, it's the skunk.
Well, we sure wouldn't want to build camp here if there's a skunk spring in here.
It did look interesting, didn't it?
No, it didn't.